All right. Oh, hi. Sorry, you just caught me in the middle of changing out the exhaust bearings on this, Janus motorcycle exhaust. Did you hear that our rally's coming up? That's right. You're looking at September 30th, that's a Friday, and we have October 1st, which is a Saturday, and October 2nd, of course, Sunday. So I want to talk to you about October 1st, Saturday morning. We're going to have pancakes for breakfast and sausage, and it's going to be all these awesome Janus motorcycle owners eating together, chatting it up, and we got some fun things in store for you. We're going to be having some sessions around the shop here at Janus HQ, our headquarters, but this year we're going to do something special. We just acquired another building right down the road from us. We call it the Turtle Top building, and in that building we have a lot of fun things going on. We have our fenders being made and 450 chassis as well being fabricated. So we're going to take you down that way, show you how we go through those processes and answer any questions you have. It's going to be a lot of fun just watching everything that goes on here at Janus Motorcycles and how we build your motorcycle. Another thing to keep in mind, we're going to be riding on Saturday, so make sure you bring your gear, your helmets, your gloves, your good riding boots, your good riding jeans, whatever you're most comfortable in and safe. And we're going to go for a couple of rides. We're going to have lunch out in the wild somewhere. I don't know where we're going, but we're going to go for a ride, meet up together as one big happy Janus family and eat together again. We like to eat a lot. We got breakfast, we got lunch. After we go for our ride after lunch and eat together, we're going to come back to HQ and take a little break. Our next video coming out, we're going to be talking more about what's going to be going on Saturday evening with the bands. I heard McLean and Company is going to be playing. Really cool. You should check them out. But yeah, stay in tune. We're going to be coming out with more information on that night and all the fun that's going to follow. So make sure you go out there and have some fun and tell your fellow Janus friends that there's a rally coming up.